Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the SKIMS by Kim Kardashian Jelly Sheer Cami Long Dress that is part of the Swarovski collaboration. This collaboration was a very sudden and limited drop. Now, I'm not usually a SKIMS customer, so it could have been my scope of marketing, but I didn't hear about this collaboration until probably a week before the collection actually dropped. Nonetheless, I did my due diligence, and here's what I found out. This dress that we're trying on, the Jelly Sheer Cami dress, is actually the Kim K viral dress that is known as a very high compression and slimming dress. So of course we had to try it out in the Swarovski collab. I did watch a few interviews about the collaboration and specifically about the branding. So you'll notice that there is a hexagon on top of the box, which represents the Swarovski diamond. And on some packaging as well as the box, you'll see SKIMS and Swarovski on alternating facets. On some other pieces, including the jewelry, you'll also notice a dangling S at the back, which was spoken about as a really direct collaboration of an S for both SKIMS and Swarovski. You'll also see that on the tissue packaging here with the alternating SKIMS and Swarovski brand name. Okay, getting a first look at our Jelly Sheer Cami dress, we can instantly see the shimmer of the Swarovskis. Now, I'm not surprised by the color of the Swarovskis, but I do wonder what went behind choosing what color they should be. I do know that this dress also came in a nude as well as a brown color, and I believe that the Swarovskis on the nude dress were a lighter tan or maybe even a crystal white shade, and those on the brown were also brown. So not surprised that these are black, but they do glisten quite well, so I am pleasantly surprised about that bit. Okay, my first impressions, not having seen these dresses before, is that it is a very lightweight material. It doesn't feel like it's very strong compression, so I am excited to see how this fits. I do love the Swarovskis. I'm a little curious about the placement. They do taper off quite a bit, so they're more concentrated at the top, both on the front and on the back, and then towards the bottom of the dress they do taper. One thing I did notice about the placement of the Swarovskis, which you can see a little better on, is the placement along the spine. There are confusingly not a lot of Swarovskis right down the middle of the back, which I really wish were filled in. Another design element that you're now noticing is that the bottom of the back of the dress actually has an adjustable zipper, so you can either zip it all the way up as you see now, or all the way down to make more of a column dress. Overall, my biggest pros of this dress is that it is very lightweight, it does feel like it would pack well, and overall it feels like a fun piece. Would I run out and grab this dress and use it as a staple? I'm not entirely sure yet. If you use it, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.